Hi guys, it's Abubakar from TechCabal. It's the holiday season and we're thinking what device would make this period extra special for you. So we got thinking and we decided that hey, let's do a review of some of the hottest phones in the market right now. Here is my review and unboxing of the Infinix Hot 8 device. Let me know what you think. Holding up the box, you can see it has a greenish, lemonish color, a familiar feature for many Infinix device users. And at the back of this device, you can see a quick spec of what this device carries. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the device and let's see what we'll find. Opening up the box, the first thing we'll find is the Infinix Hot 8 device itself. Now this particular model comes in cosmic purple, but of course other Infinix Hot 8 devices come with other colors like cyan, black and sharp grey. Next, we have the silicone casing, which carries a number of graffitis that we will fancy to a whole lot of people. Next off, we have the warranty card. And the next honor in the box is an envelope that houses the SIM ejection tube. Next, you have a Files by Google's note, which signals a partnership between Infinix and Google. You have the X Club invitation, and next you have the user manual. In deep in the box, you have a USB cable, an earphone, and a standard 10 watts charger. In the front of the device carries a 6.6 inches HD display and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The device has a notch at the top, which houses an 8 megapixel camera. It also has a flash and speakers at the top, and then there's an LED light. The LED light is not for notifications like many other devices, but this one is actually just for charging, and for that kind of feature, it sucks. At the back of the device carries triple camera setup. One is a 13 megapixel camera, allowing you to take wide quality images, and the second is a 2 megapixel camera for depth. It also carries a fingerprint scanner and an Infinix logo at the bottom of the device. Underneath the device, you have a speaker, a USB port, a microphone, and an earpiece jack. On the left side of the device has a 3-in-1 tray, which allows you to store 2 nano SIM cards and an SD card. And on the right of the device, you have the volume buttons and the power button. Infinix Hot 8 features a glossy plastic casing, and it has a unibody design, which allows it to have a firm grip. So you won't have to worry about this device falling on your face while you're lying on your bed.